Hello and welcome back to Learn With Me. In our previous video, we have talked about Project BMI, in which we have taken everything that we learned from episode 1 till episode 5 and implemented it to make our BMI project. In today's video, our topic is going to be randomization, randomizing integers and floats, and as well as we're going to make a small syntax that shows heads or tails randomly. First of all, let's just import random because random is a library as well, and then let's try to know how can we generate a random integer. Let's see. So we will name a variable called random integer, where we will say random.randint, and between parentheses there will be a and b. Let's say we want from 1 to 10, so we will write 1, 10. As you can see, it by itself shows a and b, and we're going to print it. It shows a random number. Now for this case purpose, let's make a for loop to actually see different random numbers being generated. Let's say we want 0 to 10. If you don't know things about for loop, make sure to watch my previous video, and let's just print it here so we can know how many numbers have we generated. As you can see, generate any number from 0 to 10. After that, let's just take out our print statement and do random float numbers. We have random, we have to write random because it's a library we're importing. Then we have random.random. Basically, this syntax generates a number from 0 till 0.99999. As you can see, now we will put another loop and we're going to print it. As you can see, it prints from 0.00000 till 0.99999. It does not reach 1. So let's say, for example, if I want to generate a number from 0 till 5, how would I do that? We will write random float till 5, for example, equals to random.random as we have taken earlier, and the parentheses, they don't have anything, and then we will multiply the whole thing by 5. So basically what it does, it goes from 0.000 till 4.999. It will not reach 5. Let us try it again in the loop. As you can see, you have 4.8, 4.7, 0.7, but it does not reach 5. So let's say if you want something, so let's take this out first. Now let's say if you want something from 1 till 5. We're going to take the whole syntax, as we have talked in our previous videos, parentheses are important, plus 1. So what it does is that it starts from 1 and goes until 5. Okay? So basically 1 till 5.9999, but it will not reach 6. This syntax is very important because it is used in multiple games, multiple IDs. You will see that in your real life. Then let's make our mini game called coin toss. Okay. So here what we will do is we will name a variable called face. Okay. We are going to use random.randint because it's the simplest, random.randint, and it's what we need in this situation. We're going to say 0 and 1. So basically to generate either 0 or 1. And then we will put if statements. If you don't know about if statements, I would recommend watching my video. If let's say face equals to 1, I'm going to say the face is heads. Else, which means that if it's 0, we are going to say it's tails. Now, as we did earlier, let's loop it for multiple times so that we can have different coin tosses. And we will take the whole code and indent it for ideal because of the Python syntax. Why is it giving me all heads? Because the determining factor, which is the coin toss flip, should be inside the loop. If it's outside, it's just doing it only one time. If it's inside the loop, it's doing multiple times. So as you can see, we have tails, heads, tails, heads. So this was a video. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned anything, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.